Welcome, traders. Today we're diving into 3 simple yet powerful trading tips that most beginners often overlook. These aren't complex strategies, but implementing them can dramatically change your results in the market. Let's get straight into the tips that will set you up for success as a beginner trader. Tip number 1. Always trade with a detailed plan. Most beginners lose money simply because they enter trades based on emotion, leading to impulsive decisions. Before you take any trade, you must know: what is your entry? Your stop loss? Your target? And what specific signal is making you take this trade? If you can't answer these questions, do not trade. Tip number 2 is about risk management. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account per trade. Small, controlled risk is the key to long-term survival in the trading game. A trader who risks 10 to 20% per trade will blow their account quickly. However, a trader who risks only 1% stays in the game long enough to develop and become consistently profitable. Our final tip is essential. Always trade the prevailing trend, not your personal emotions. Remember the old adage, the trend is your best friend. Following it significantly increases your probability of success. Zoom out to higher time frames to confirm the market structure. Is the market making higher highs, indicating an uptrend, or lower lows, signaling a downtrend? Always follow the market structure and the data. Never let your personal feelings dictate your trades. If you're looking to supercharge your trading and apply these tips effectively, I have a recommendation for you. I personally use and recommend VIP indicators. They offer powerful, premium trading tools that help you accurately spot entries, exits, and those crucial market trends. Click the link in the description below to explore VIP indicators. They are fantastic for both beginners and advanced traders alike.